To get 1 mark on any question like this, you work out the gap first. Here it's 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And this number goes next to the n. So 3n plus something. This is the biggest mistake I see people make on this question, is they say it's n plus 3 or something like that. They do something wrong with the 3. If the gap is 3, that number goes next to the n. That's the first step, okay? The second step is working out what this number is. And you just have to ask yourself, how do I get from this number back to this number? Okay, I minus 2, right? To get from 3 to 1. So you just put minus 2. So the answer is 3n minus 2. The one way I like to check this, I would really want to check your work here, is the whole point of the nth term is that you could now make up a number for n, and that will tell you that term in the sequence. So if n was 1, in 3n minus 2. So this is what we think is the formula, the nth term as a formula for the sequence, basically. If you put n is 1 into this formula, you'd have 3 times 1, which is 3, and then minus 2, which is 1. And that is the first term of the sequence. Now I put n is 2 into the formula. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 2 is 4. And that's the second term. If I put n is 3, that will give me 7. That's the point. And so you can just do a couple of ones just to check. I would always recommend doing that, especially if you're finding these questions difficult. But yeah, there's your answer, 3n minus 2.